How to create a new crypto wallet in SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to create new crypto wallet in SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create a new crypto wallet in SafePal, open the SafePal application. Now, tap on Software Wallet, then select Create Wallet. Set a wallet name and a strong security password. This will protect your wallet and the device. Next, SafePal will show you a 12 or 24 random recovery phrase words. Carefully write down those words in order on paper. Do not screenshot or store it on your phone. After that, the app will ask you to verify the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Once verified, your wallet will be created and ready to use. To save power while using the app, reduce screen brightness, disable background apps, and use battery saver mode on your phone. This helps you manage your wallet efficiently without draining your battery. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these mistakes, make sure to check out our guide on other videos through this channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.